The power of a simple walk, unlocking heart health secrets. In a recent online post, cardiologist Dr. Shailesh Singh ignited a fiery debate. His question was simple: is a 20-minute daily walk or a 10 Indian rupees lakh home gym better for your heart? But here's where it gets controversial. Walking versus expensive gyms, which wins? Dr. Singh's answer cuts through the noise. It's not about the cost, but the consistency of movement. And this is the part most people miss: it's not the equipment that matters, but the commitment to regular exercise. Why cardiologists love walking. Doctors rave about walking as an easy, sustainable way to boost cardiovascular fitness. A brisk 20 to 30-minute walk daily can control blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and manage weight, all essential for a healthy heart. The World Health Organization, WHO, recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly, and walking fits this bill perfectly. You don't need fancy gear, just comfortable shoes and a safe path. The pitfalls of expensive home gyms. While gyms and equipment can be beneficial, they don't guarantee results. Many invest in treadmills or cycles, only to let them gather dust after a few months. Doctors warn that sudden, irregular, or high-intensity workouts can strain the heart, especially for those over 40 who aren't used to regular exercise. A basic health check is recommended before starting any new routine. A home gym is only as good as its consistent use. As cardiologists say, a daily 20-minute walk is better than an intense workout once a week. It's about building a habit, not a one-time effort. How walking strengthens your heart. Research shows regular walking improves blood circulation, lowers bad cholesterol, reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes and hypertension, and supports mental health. It also helps maintain a healthy weight, a key factor in preventing heart disease. Doctors call walking a gateway activity, encouraging further active pursuits. Tips for an effective daily walk. To maximize benefits, cardiologists suggest walking briskly enough to be slightly breathless but still able to talk. Aim for at least 5 days a week, track your steps for motivation, and add challenges like stairs or gentle slopes. Maintain good posture with relaxed shoulders and natural arm movement. For gym enthusiasts. If you prefer gym workouts or already have a home setup, doctors recommend 20 to 30 minutes of cardio most days, with 2 weekly strength sessions for endurance. Warm up properly, avoid sudden heavy lifts, and check your heart health if you have a family history of cardiac issues. The heart of the matter. Dr. Singh's message is clear: consistency is key. Whether you own a treadmill or walk your neighborhood, daily movement is paramount. A 20-minute brisk walk daily can lower heart disease risk, boost energy, and improve mood. The best workout for your heart is the one you enjoy and can stick to. Takeaway. So, is a daily walk or a home gym better for your heart? The answer might surprise you. It's not about the equipment, it's about the commitment to regular movement. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments.